All right, hey, Casey. We are doing, is this anybody else in here? I think just Casey, right? Chapter 2 review, we're going to start. There are 44 questions on this review. Holy moly. Okay. No. My max is usually 20. Okay. So we're starting here and we've got some stuff going on. Let's look at this diagram before we start marking things. All right. We have this guy marked and that guy marked. That means those two little pink guys are the same. And then I have two little loops here and I have two little loops here. And that means those two things are the same. Which also they might use this verbiage. They will say that this guy bisects this angle, right? Splits them into two equal pieces. Okay. They also might say that this guy bisects this one. It's like a knife. It's cutting it into two equal pieces, right? So if you say that, then that means they're the same. All right, so there's that, okay? Let's see what we've got. JCN. JCN. Do you see which one JCN is? JCN is this whole big thing, and he is 8R minus 2. LCN is just this guy, and that is 3R plus 15. All right, and they want me to find some stuff. Are those two things equal to each other?
Yes. No. Yes.
This one is this whole thing right here. That angle. Boop, 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 boop. And this one is just this angle.
You have to find 8R2 minus 2 and then subtract 3R plus 15.
No, I don't want to do that. They're not equal to each other, right? What do we know, though?
Elimination.
What do we know, though?
The 3R plus 15 goes on the other one?
Yeah, this one's 3R plus 15 also, right? Did we just say that? Those two are the same? Okay, now what do I know? If you add those two together, they end up equaling the total, right? What's the total? 8R minus 2, right? So if I do a 3R plus 15 plus another 3R plus 15, those two little bits add up to be the 8R minus 2. Do we see how we get that? Okay, so this is 6R plus 30 equals 8R minus 2. And can I subtract the 6R? And can I add the 2 at the same time? Are we confused? 32 equals 2R and divide by 2. So R is how much? 16. And now they want me to find JCL. So I know that R is 16. I'm going to put that over here. JCL is this little green angle right here. Do you see him? Okay. How do I find him? Plug in 16 for R. 3 times 16 is 48. And 48 plus 15 is 63. Is that true? 63 degrees. Boom. Good? All right. Beautiful. Number 2. I'm going to erase a little bit of, well, no, I don't want to erase anything yet. Okay. NCP. Holy cow. This guy right here is 2y plus 10. And PCW, this guy right here, is 4y minus 10. Okay. Hold up. Do we know that those two are the same? No. We know that the other two blue guys are the same. Did I miss something? Hold on. CP is bisecting NCW. CP is bisecting NCW. Oh, so they are the same, right? So this guy is, all three of them would be the same, true? Yeah. So, now what? 2y plus 10 equals 4y minus 10. Yep. I'm going to subtract the 2y. I'm going to add this 10 over.
Hold up. Wait.
I'm going too fast? I do 2 steps at once sometimes when I feel like it. Is that confusing? No? 20 equals 2y and y is 10? Maybe? Y equals 10. PCW. They want us to find PCW, which is this one right here. So I can plug 10 in there. 4 times 10 minus 10. 30. Yeah? That's hard to see when you have to label your own, right? Maybe these next ones will be a little bit easier to see. Maybe. Okay? How about that? Good? Are we good on 1 and 2? Those ones are tough. All right, number. Yeah.
Sorry, if
You're
it
fine.
bisects, then it's equal.
If it bisects, then those two sides are equal. Yes. Yep.
Well, we could have taken. That
Yeah.
makes no sense though.
Why?
Because we know that it's a semicircle, so it's 180 degrees.
Yes. But hold on. This doesn't apply to the bottom one. The fact that we know that that angle is 63, we no longer know that on number 2. I get what you're saying.
It makes no sense though.
It doesn't.
Why it should be 180 degrees total,
Yeah.
but it's only 93.
No, because this is not 63. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
That like 1 is not true when we go to do number 2.
So we just don't
Uh-huh.
even-
Yeah, those do not coincide together.
Okay.
Yeah. I get your frustration. I understand.
I should do that with mine.
All right, number 3. We have this angle labeled and we have this angle labeled. What do we know?
These are the same.
Why are they the same? What kind of angles are
They're
they?
adjacent.
No.
Vertical.
Vertical. Vertical ones make a V, right? Here's a V here and a V here. They're like 2 little V's kissing. I don't know.
So that means
Right?
so it's
Okay, so they are equal to each other. 3x plus 6 equals 54. And then let's subtract 6. 3x equals, that is 48. And divide by 3. X is how much? How many times is 3 going to 4?
12 ones.
Once with 1 left over. How many times is 3 going to 18?
6.
6. 16 is x. Find the value of each variable. Done. Do you see how I did that? Like I did like the long division, but kind of in my head, you know, a little bit. I mean, you know, it'll come. It'll come. How about that? Good-ish, maybe? Okay, number 4. This angle here is labeled and that angle there is labeled. What do we know? They're equal because they are
Vertical.
vertical angles again. They're like 2 little V's. Okay? 3x is equal to 2x plus 44. Woo! Subtract 2x and x is 44. Yeah? Okay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay? Number 5. Oh boy. We got x's and y's going on. Okay. Can we solve x and y at the same time? No, so we got to solve for one of the variables first. Which one? X, because I don't have 2 y's, right? I only have x's. So this one's an x and that one's an x. What do we know? They're equal because they are vertical angles. 3x minus 16 equals 5x minus 110. Woo! Okay, I'm going to subtract the 3x from here. And I'm going to add the 110. Okay, what is 110 minus 16? Like 94, I think. Equals 2x, I think. What's 94 divided by 2? How many times is 2 going to 9? 4 with 1 left over. So 2 goes into, yeah, 47. She's got it figured out. 47 is what x is. Okay, now how do I find y?
180 minus 47.
No, but 47, though, is not this whole angle. X is 47. So now I got to figure out what this whole angle is. Does that make sense? Yeah, let's put an x for, I don't know, this one right here. 47 times 3 is 120 plus 21, so 141 minus 16 is 125. So this angle right here is 125. And how do I know they add up to be 180? Because they're on a straight line. What's that called?
Semicircle.
A line pair. A linear pair, right? Line pair, linear pair. They live on a line, right? So 125 is this guy, so that means this one has to be 180 minus 125, whatever that is. 55. Is that 55? Y is 55. Make sense? Yeah? Clear as mud? Okay. I know. That's what I'm saying. Clear as mud, right? Blah. All right. Moving on? Are we ready to move on? Woo! Okay. All right. Figures at the right. This is stuff that is not already labeled. Whatever. All right. They do have a little label on here. And it is this box. So what does that box know? That means it's a right angle. What is a right angle?
HLJ.
HLJ. So only angle 2 and angle 3 add up to be 90, not 2, 3, and 4, whatever, right? Just angle 2 and angle 3 add up to be 90. All right. So HLG is this guy right here. Whoop. This guy right here. And angle 2 is 8P minus 17. That's what he is, right? Okay, and the other one I'm guessing is GLJ. GLJ, yep, is the other one. And he is 5P plus 3. 5P plus 3. That's what those are labeled. Boom. Okay, are they equal? No. No, we don't necessarily know that. But they add together to equal 90. This guy plus this guy equals 90. You betcha. 8P minus 17 plus 5P plus 3 equals 90. You betcha.
Could we do like 13
13P minus 14 equals 90. Okay. Then let's add the 14. Whoa. Add 14. 13P equals 90 plus 14 is 104, I think. And if I divide by 13, that's got to be like 8. I think. Yep. P is 8. 8. Okay. P equals 8. Beautiful. All right. But then they want P equals 8. They want HLG, which is right here. So I'm just going to plug 8 in here. 8 times 8 is 64 minus 17. So this guy is 47. 47 degrees. Okay. GLJ is this guy. I could plug it in here, but I know that those two have to add up to be 90, right? So if this one's 47, the other one has to be 43, right? Or you could plug it in here. Plug the 8 in there. Should be 43. Yeah? Woo! What a mess. What a mess. All right, I'm going to erase stuff. Bloop. Because we got to do another one. I'm sorry. NLH is giving me some stuff. NLH is angle 1. NLH, and they say that this angle right here is 3S plus 5. That's what that one is. Okay? Then JLK. Oh, is this one. And that one is 6S minus 23. 6S minus 23. Okay. Do you see what we're looking at here? We're looking at this angle, this pink one, and this pink one right here. Do they equal each other? No.
But they do equal.
Do they equal 90?
180.
Because this guy right here is 90, right? And all 4 of these angles should add up to be how much?
So yes, they do equal 90.
Yeah, all 4 of them should add up to be 180, right? But these are already 90, so I could subtract that 90 out, right? So these two, this one here and this one here, should add up to be the other 90, right? Does that make sense? So that guy plus that guy equals 90, okay? 3S plus 5 plus 6S minus 23 equals 90. Do you see why? It's 90. Yeah? Okay, I'm going to put the S's together. That's 9S minus, 18 equals 90. If I add the 18 over, 9S equals 108. I think that's 12. I think it is. Divided by 9. S equals 12. I think. Yeah. S equals 12.
So 9S
Okay.
equals 108.
Yep. 108 divided by 9, is it 12? Yeah. Okay. All right, but then they want NLH, which means plug in here, and JLK, which means plug in there. Okay, so if I plug 12 in here, 12 times 3 is 36, plus 5 is 41. So this guy is 41. But I do know that they add up to be 90, so I could plug in there if I want to, or I know that this is 49. Yeah? How's that? Looks good? Okay. La, 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 la. All right, now we got angle pairs. Woo.
Otherwise, is it like
Okay, number 8. Two angles that are supplementary. What does supplementary mean?
180?
180. How do I know if they're supposed to add up to be 180 if they don't, or they're, none of them are labeled?
If they're on a straight line?
Yeah, they're on a straight line. So give me two angles that live on a straight line.
Angle 1 and angle 2.
Angle 1 and angle 2. Those are supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 2. There are multiple answers to that. Complementary means they add up to be 90. How do I know if they add up to be 90? Okay, the only square I see though is 12. And that's not two angles. I need two angles that add up to be. Ooh, but will 3 and 10 add up to be 90? Because these are all on a straight line. So if this is 90, then these two have to be the other 90, right? So 3 and 10 will have to be 90. Yes, you betcha. Angle 3 and angle 10. You got it. Two angles that form a linear pair. Linear pair is on a straight line. So, there's a lot of combinations. What? 2 and 5. Where's 2 and 5? Oh, 2 and 5, they have to be right next to each other. What would work? 9 and 4. Would 9 and 4 work? Yeah? 5 and 6 won't because they have to be right next to each other. Would 7 and 8 work? Yep. Would 2 and 3 work? Would 1 and 2 work?
Or 9.
1 and 12.
Would 1 and 12 work?
No.
3
No,
and
because they have to
12.
make a straight line.
3 and
Right? Like this isn't a straight line. That makes sense?
3 and 12.
3 and 12. Would 3 and 12 work?
Yes.
No.
What?
4 and 9.
3 and 12 have to share a side. If they're a linear pair, they have to be supplementary. They have to add up to 180. Because that 10's there, it screws everything up. Okay, so what do you want to put?
9 and 4.
9 and 4? Sure. Angle 9 and angle 4.
7 and 8 would work.
7 and 8 would work. 1 and 2 would work. 2 and 3 would work.
4, 7, 9, 8.
Yeah. Yeah. 4 and 7 would work. 9 and 8 would work. Vertical angles.
9 and 7.
1 and 3.
9 and 7. 9 and 7. 1 and 3. 5 and 6. 4 and 8. Any of those would work? You only have to list one. Yeah? Okay, what does the word adjacent mean? Right next to. So they share
3 and 10.
a vertex and a side.
3 and 10.
3 and 10 are adjacent. 1 and 2 are adjacent. 2 and 3 are adjacent. 4 and 7 are adjacent. 7 and 8. 8 and 9. 9 and 4. 12 and 10. Are 5 and 6 adjacent? 5 and 6, are they adjacent? No. No. Okay, that's about the only pair that's not, right? Are we good? Figure it out? Good, good? Okay, we want perimeter or circumference and area. So, because this is a circle, we're doing circumference and area. Here we're doing perimeter and area. Here we're doing perimeter and area. Okay. These are the shapes that you have to have memorized. You can do it. How do you find circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. How do you find area of a circle?
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. The 2 is just in the back as an exponent, okay? So, the only thing we need to know is what the r is, right? How do I find the r? It's half of a circle, right?
3.
3 and a half.
I got to do this right here, right?
3, 2.
And that is the, what's that called?
Radius.
Find the,
Radius.
finding the radius by using the what? The distance formula. The distance, this is a distance formula, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? The distance. How far apart is 2 and 5? 3. How far apart is 3 and 1? 2. So 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 plus 4 is the square root of 13. What's the square root of 13?
Some odd number.
Some odd weird number. It is like 3 point what?
3.605551.
Let's go 3.61. Let's go 3.61. We'll go do 2 decimal places. 3.61. Okay, now I want to find the circumference. So I'm going to take and put 3.61 in here. And I'm going to take and put 3.61 in here. If you have a calculator, I would try plugging them in to make sure you know how to plug them in, right?
1 times 2.
Oh, I stole somebody's. I stole yours. I'm sorry. I'm sitting here with it in my lap and you just don't even say anything.
22.
Sorry.
That's why you grabbed my calculator.
Yeah.
Okay.
6, 8.
22.7, sure.
I missed 6.
What if can we go Does it matter?
Oh, that's why.
Round answers to the nearest tenth, so that means 1 decimal place. Now, when we did the radius earlier, we rounded it to 2 decimal places. Oh, should it be 6?
Well, this is what.
No, 22.7.
It's 6.8. It's 6.
Oh, you only did 3.6 instead of 3.61. 22.7?
Like, in a, like,
Yes, it should technically be approximated. Yep. And 1 square measures 1 centimeter. So my units are in centimeters.
No.
Not squared for circumference. Area is squared though. So if I plug in 3.62, that's approximately how much? Or 3.6. What? 40.9 centimeters squared for the area of that one. Yeah? How are we feeling about that?
Wait,
Hoy vey. All right. Perimeter of a triangle. How to find the perimeter of a triangle?
base times height times.
No. Perimeter. Perimeter.
add divided by
Nope. Perimeter.
plus.
Add them all. This one plus this one plus this one. Okay? All right, bottom side. How do I find the bottom side? You can count them.
8.
2, 4, 6, 8. That's the bottom side is 8. Okay? Now the other ones, I have to do the distance. Right?
2.
Okay, how far apart is 2 and 8? 6. How far apart is 1 and 6? 5. 6 squared is 36. 5 squared is 25. 25 and 36 is 61. The square root of 61 is like 7 point something.
What?
7.8.
7.8, sure. 7.8. Okay. This one, I'm doing this distance, square root, this guy squared plus this guy squared. From 8 to 10 is 2, from 6 to 1 is 5, and 2 squared is 4, and 5 squared is 25, and that's the square root of 29, which is 5 point something.
5.3.
5.4 rounded, okay. 5.4, so the perimeter is 2, carry the 1, 13, 21. 21.2 centimeters. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, how do you find the area of a triangle?
Base times width times.
Base times height divided by 2. Okay, what's the base?
8.
The bottom.
8. What's the height?
We don't know.
We don't know. Where does the height live?
In the middle. Right angle.
The height lives at 8.1 to 8.6.
You don't spell.
So we're probably gonna go 5.
I knew it.
Is that right?
You betcha. Yep. 8 times 5 is
I literally
40, and 40 divided by 2 is
20.
20 centimeters
Squared.
squared. You betcha. Awesome. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, what's this shape?
Well, you cheated.
Square.
Is it a square?
Yes.
Are you sure it's a square?
Kinda.
I'm looking, here's what I'm looking, right? I want to know if all the sides are the same. So if I'm looking at this dot versus this dot. I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2. From this dot now to this dot, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 2. Is that the same distance?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is a square.
So I'll just say
All right, which side would you like to find the distance of?
2, 5.
You see it
So
so right.
4
Which one?
plus 25 is 29.
I don't know what you're talking about.
We're really low.
Let's find this distance right here, this green one.
5.3. Or 5.4. 5.4.
Okay, how far apart is 0 and negative 2? 2. How far apart is 3 and negative 2? 5. 2 squared is 4. 5 squared is 25. That's the square root of 29 again, which is 5.4. Is that the same as the last problem, right? Okay, so 5.4 is this guy, 5.4 is this guy, 5.4 is this guy, 5.4 is this guy. How do I find the perimeter? Add them together or take it times 4 because they're all the same. And that is 20 plus 1.6, 21.6? I don't know. Did I do that right? Yeah, 21.6, and that's centimeters. Okay, now how to find the area?
5.4 times 5.
base time.
Base times height, 5.4 times 5.4. Or you could do 5.4 squared in your calculator if you want. I don't know what that is.
29.16.
29.16 centimeters squared. Woo! Do you remember all those formulas? Those are the ones you have to have memorized.
Which one?
Squares, circles, rectangles, triangles.
You have to have like the 2D version of it memorized.
The 2Ds memorized. So you need to know circumference, you need to know area, you need to know that stuff for those 3 shapes. You can do it. We just did it.
And
Yeah, you
do,
can.
like, tattoos.
Yeah, you
I
can.
can't remember that.
You can remember. You can remember.
What would you do if I got a tattoo though?
On your body?
Yeah.
On your body?
Yeah. So a tattoo.
Okay, we got a little bit more than halfway. All right, here we go. Okay, let's go.
Would you like me to put it on the long sleeve?
Probably. All right, 2D model and dimensions to calculate the perimeter, circumference, or area, blah, 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 all this stuff, okay? So this is a triangle, and we want perimeter area. Here we want circumference area. 18, we want perimeter area. Holy moly. All right, 16, here you go. Test your knowledge, Michaela. What's the perimeter of a triangle? How do you find the perimeter of a triangle?
Base.
Nope, perimeter. Perimeter means the distance around. How do you find the distance around a triangle? No. How do I find the distance around a triangle? Add them together. That side plus that side plus that side. So I'm going to fill in what sides I'm adding. I am adding 12 plus 10.8 plus, what's the bottom side?
8.4 plus 6.6.
Yep, which is 15.
37.8.
37.8 is all of them added together, and that is in centimeters. Yeah, if I add them all together.
Perimeter is the easiest thing.
You think perimeter is the easy one? Yeah, sure.
Easy to remember.
Area of a triangle is
Base times height divided by 2.
base times height divided by 2. You got it. Okay. What's the base?
8,
15. And the height is
8,
8.6. So 15 times 8.6 and divided by 2. I don't know what that is. Approximately.
64.5.
64.5 centimeters squared. Okay? Got it?
I think we should take a break.
You think so?
We should stop writing
We should stop at
We
18.
got time. We got time.
about brain.
17. Ooh, 17.
Wait, can you go back?
Yep.
Okay.
You're gonna get on this.
17, how do you find circumference of a circle? Circumference is the distance around. Whoop. 2 pi r. How do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. Okay, we need to know what the radius is. Radius is not 7.2. 3.6. So all we're doing is plugging in 2 times pi times 3.6 and 2 pi times 3.6 squared. Easy peasy.
First one is 22.6 around.
Okay, 22.6, and that is in centimeters. That is the distance around. The next one is, I don't know.
This one, circles are also easy because like, it's just one number.
Yeah, right.
40.7 centimeters
Dang
squared.
triangles.
40 point what?
7 centimeters squared.
7 centimeters squared. Perfect. Okay. All right. How do you find a rectangle? How do you find perimeter of a rectangle?
Plus base.
Plus. Right? So 20.2 plus 13.4 plus 20.2 plus 13.4. Or I do 20.2 plus 13.4, which is 33.7, and I double it. Right? Because I've got them here and I've got them here. Yeah? 4, carry the 1, that's 7, 67.4.
67.2.
67.4.
Oh, this is a 6. 67.2.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
My calculator.
I did it wrong. 67.2. Inches.
God bless you. It's inches.
Wait, where'd you get 20.4? Oh, golly.
What?
Ignore me.
Okay.
I don't even know what I was.
Okay. I don't know. How do you find the area?
20.2
Base times height. This guy times that guy. Give us a lot of those, right? What do you got?
270.7.
Inches squared.
Can we get that from multiplying?
Base times height. Base times height of a rectangle. Yep. Area is base times.
Okay. I do not like it to reflections.
Yeah, reflections are easy.
We have 4 minutes. Ooh.
Do we have
Okay.
to memorize?
We'll stop.
though?
Yup.
Yay.
Memorize what?
So all the
Stuff
reflections.
or
Like
reflections.
Just
I
come
already
with the
just
dog.
memorized those.
Okay,
And
what
the
I
other
did,
one.
Be right.
what I did, you
Be
just make it and then just like use common
Okay.
sense.
All right. Bye, Casey.
Common